All right. How you doing, Brendan Goulet? It's a message for your son, Riley. You know, he's getting older. He's getting hair in strange places. And he wants to know about the birds and the bees. Damn. Well, Riley, how you doing? Basically, what it is that a female human and a human male, they go on what you see is called a date. Yes. And the male has to pay for everything. Usually you take them to Olive Garden, something like fancy, spice it up. McDonald's, whatever. And then go to a movie or something, go see something, whatever, just, romancy. And then if they like each other a lot, and after express consent, goddamn, make sure that she says it's okay. You take off all your clothes, you both do that, and then, you ask her if you can lay on top of her and flop around for like, most times it's going to be 20 seconds. I mean, let's be honest here. And then afterwards, a swan comes and delivers a goddamn baby that you have to pay for 18 years of your life. And she ruins everything. You pick up about 25 pounds of weight and a drinking habit. Yeah, that's about it. Be careful and always wear a, back in my day, they called them raincoats on your wink. All right? Condom. Make sure you wear a condom. You don't want any kind of disease coming up and screwing you over, Riley. Brendan Goulet, I don't like you. You should have discussed this with Riley. I should not be the one. By the way, Riley, I lied. The woman will go through 9 months of extensive pregnancy, and then she will blame you for everything while she's sweating like a stuck pig on a gurney in a hospital. And then you will slowly lose every bit of youthful life when she says, child support. God. I wish someone had taken Michael and Batman Returns that asshole. Throw him over the edge, let him go live with the penguins. I wish his parents had been that. What was that? Pee Wee Herman was in the Batman Returns, wasn't he? Hey, Frank, you're fired. I don't even know what you're doing. You put that pen down. You don't take it home. You're fine. Get out. It's sort of like, anyway, fuck it. I hope that clears it up. What them ghosts?
What are you going to do on October 31st?
What are you gonna do on October 31st?
Here comes that white-faced fucker, an asshole like no other. He's a big old piece of shit. Wants to stab your sister's tits cause he's a white-faced fucker. Loomis can't recover. Dr. Challenge drunk again, sleeping with your sister's friends.
Do you wanna know about the darkness?
I said, God damn. God damn you, Michael. I said, God damn.
A lot of people don't know the darkness that goes inside their hearts.
I said, God damn. God damn you, Michael.
What are you gonna do on October 31st?